Plastic injection molding, a method to obtain plastic products by injecting molten materials by heat into a mold, and then cooling and solidifying them. At Danke Mold, we provide one-stop plastic injection molding services for customers. Includes in-house mold making and moldings. We have rapid tooling, which is fast and cost-effective to produce low volume of parts. We can also do conventional production molds or produce high numbers of plastic components. Once getting your inquiries, we will provide tooling and molding quotations, along with DFM files for your reference within 24 to 48 hours. If you would like to talk to us about your project in detail, we can also set up online video meetings with you. Our experienced team deeply understands customers' needs. We will review your drawing files and offer tips and tricks to improve manufacturability of your design. This service will help you to save some much needed time and money on your projects. Welcome to contact Danke Mold. Let us talk about your next injection molding project.